عارف ليه ممكن زميلك يكون اقل منك كفاءة ويترقى قبلك؟ المشكلة مش دايما كوسة ومش دايما المدير ظالم. خلينا نشوف الفيديو ده في الاول وبعدها هقول لك رأيي بصراحة.
I don't want to sound self-serving here, but I think it's a smart move for you to hire me.
Good to know. Thank you.
No, seriously, you need an assistant. I can do whatever you want around here, and I'm not that expensive.
Why don't you just leave your resume, Marissa?
I don't have one. I'm much better in person anyway. Hire me for one day just until you get someone better. And I promise you won't get someone better.
So if
What is this case again?
We're gathering a class of retail workers who were wrongly accused of stealing from their stores.
Okay, got it. Is there anybody in the mall who had their wages cut? We're bringing a lawsuit against all these big asshole companies. So is anybody bitching about their paychecks? It's about people being forced to confess that they stole clothing or shoes or computers. So if you hear anything from anybody, here's my card. Tell them to call me.
I told our financial partners that we would have 20 members in the class, so let's get to it.
There's 23 employees who are accused of theft by their employer and had their wages garnished, and I have feelers out to a dozen more. And there are 2 more people here to be interviewed.
Who is that?
My new assistant.
في موظف بيشتغل كويس جدا ويسكت، وفي موظف بيشتغل كويس وبيعرف يوضح اثره على الشغل. علم النفس التنظيمي فيه مفهوم اسمه impression management. ببساطة الطريقة اللي بتعرض بيها قيمتك بتأثر على تقييم الناس ليك. يعني بدل ما تقول انا تعبت جدا الشهر ده، لا قول كان عندنا المشكلة دي في الشغل وانا عملت كذا والنتيجة اتحسنت من كذا لكذا. الاولى بتوضح مجهودك ودي حاجة حلوة جدا. التانية بتوضح اثرك وقيمتك جوه الشغل. وما تفهمنيش غلط، ما تسرقش قيمه مش بتاعتك ولا تقعد تتمنظر على الناس انا عملت كذا وعملت كذا وعملت كذا، لكن ما تخبيش قيمتك اللي انت فعلا صنعتها، لان شغلك مش بيتكلم عن نفسه، انت اللي لازم تعرف تتكلم عن شغلك. ولو انت موظف وعاوز تطور مهاراتك يبقى لازم تتابعني.